Forget that. Heidi-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here, looking my best. I wanted to do a follow-up for well, the disaster I showed the other day for what my garden had turned into. Done a couple of evenings work, and now you can kind of see a little bit of it in the background. Might as well show it to you. Here we have it. Tomatoes. This is some of the cardboard that was in the other video, and there's a whole bunch of other things here. They had a vacation Bible school at my church and had a lot of leftover cardboard boxes, so I got those. And then at another church that we do things at, they had a children's event, and they had a bunch of pizza, and I got a bunch of pizza boxes. So I did put the pizza advertising down. Hey, they're not a sponsor after all. But see those pizza boxes lined up there? But I've got my tomatoes all covered, and my squash, there is of it. Jeez, it's nowhere near like that big giant plant that the Big Blue House homestead has. Gotta go check out that video, the tour of her garden. But don't do it right after this. You know, let there be some time so you can't make that much of a comparison. And peppers. You couldn't even see these before. They were kind of visible if you knew what to look for, but hey, they're all nicely cardboard mulched, I guess you'd call it. Move that black plastic and move that. It's around there. Nothing more to see over there. Anyway, I just wanted to show that, hey, I may have been lazy, but trying to make up for it. Only odd thing, oh yeah, one more thing here. I discovered another bean coming up. Yay. I think I'm going to end up just probably transplanting these into a container or something and letting them grow and just save the seeds out of them to get some of my seeds back. And, oh yeah, in a text thing I put over the last video, I mentioned that maybe there was something else besides sogginess that may have had something to do with the soil here. This is clay soil, heavy clay soil. It's been amended a lot. I mean, you can actually go stick a shovel into it even when it's dry. You know, where if you go do it like over there and when it's dry and try to do it, it'd be like trying to shove it into a piece of concrete. However, it's still got a lot of clay, and when I was messing around trying to find see if I could even find remnants of the beans or some of the squash that hadn't come up, I realized how actually heavy and sticky the soil is. And one of these squash that was trying to come up looked like it was having a really hard time. It's actually up now. Where is it? That's it, down in there. But it was actually bent over double and the leaves were still buried. So I'm thinking, it'll be for another video, but when I plant the seeds in here, I can't plant them directly in this soil, which is actually something I kind of knew from, well, at least I knew it in concept back when I was planting before. It's almost like doing seed starter mix in the soil you're planting into, so that the seed can come up easily, and then the roots can dig through the soil. Anyway, enough for that for now. I just wanted to show, I guess maybe I do have a little bit of pride. So I wanted to show that I did do something and didn't give up. So, well, God bless y'all. See you next time.